CARV is building the largest gaming credential infrastructure across various networks to help you monetize your gaming experience. CARV started the data to earn era, and on December 12th, CARV launched the Soul Drop campaign. This campaign allows for users to earn Soul tokens, which will be converted to CARV tokens. The conversion rate is unknown yet, but it will be made known to the community at the CARV TGE. This video is going to show you how you can earn CARV tokens, so do well to stick around. Hi, my name is VMorgan. Welcome to my channel. This is VMorgan IO right here on YouTube. Do well to subscribe to the channel, watch a couple more videos. There are a ton of incentivized testnets and airdrop opportunities over here for you to leverage on, so do well to come over here and watch some more. CARV is launching data to earn, but what does that mean? That means when you link your accounts with CARV and then you engage on those accounts and your interactions with games and all of that, you get to earn the CARV token and other rewards. So all of the data you amass from all of those interactions makes you to earn rewards such as the CARV token, USDT, and SATs in the future. There are two things on CARV, the CARV ID and the play name service. I'm going to tell you what they are and how to mint both of them. But currently there are 4 ways to earn Soul token, which is number 1, daily mining. Right here on the CARV network, you can just come up on CARV and then you can get to claim free CARV every day on. This is actually 3 networks over here, but recently, I think today or yesterday, they added the linear network over here, so you can claim on 4 networks per day. The amount of SOL you can mint per day is based off the number of accounts you've binded to CARV. Now, over here, you can see you can add your CARV Play, Steam, MetaMask, X, Discord, and many other accounts on CARV that is going to increase the number of SOLs you can claim per day. So these are the various accounts you can bind. As you can see, MetaMask, Facebook, email, and all of that is going to guarantee you some number of SOLs per day. Another way to earn the SOL token is via the SOL generation from your historical data. Now, once you keep on engaging on the CARV protocol, you are going to be achieving various milestones that is going to guarantee you some amount of SOL. For example, it says, congrats, you've invited 4 friends, and now you can earn 100 souls. That's the second way for you to earn CARV. Okay, so all you need to do is participate in CARV play events and then participate in the games and all of that stuff. Yeah. The third way is for you to complete soul challenges, and one of the soul challenges is for you to play Steam games for about 3 hours. Okay, and 4 hours and all of that stuff. So if you're an active gamer, this is actually for you. The fourth way for you to earn the Soul tokens is via referral. If you have a community or you can refer people, just slide down to the bottom of the page and you see a place for you to copy your invite code, share it across your social media platforms, and let people hear about the goodness of CARV. And then when they jump in, you can always earn from their activities. CARV ID and the play name service, you're going to have to mint this as soon as possible. Now, the CARV ID is actually a new ID compatible. The CARV ID is a new ID system compatible with both on-chain and off-chain identities. Now, the CARV ID consists of the following: the aggregator NFT, smart wallet, signer account, and all of that. Okay. So this CARV ID is going to be minted. I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. And there's something else again, which is the play name service. It's actually your identity or your name, the human readable name on the blockchain. Okay, so it says play name service is your permanent and personalized human readable alias for various blockchain addresses. So right here on CARV network, a ton of people are going to be seeing this name. Okay, this is what people are going to be seeing and interacting with. And the benefits for such name is the game profile, the access to CARV airdrop, which is what we're interested in. Now, for you to when you mint this play name service, is going to make you eligible for the CARV airdrop. It's also going to power up the Soul Drop campaign and all of that. So here is a guide on this article here on how to mint the CARV ID and your play name service. I'm going to leave a link to this guide in the video description for you. But let's dive right into how you can do that. First thing you want to do is go to the CARV protocol. Okay, the link is going to be in the video description. You want to log in with any of these accounts. You can use your Google, but I'm going to use the MetaMask account. So if you do not have a MetaMask account, all you need to do is go to metamask.io, add the extension to your browser, and you'll be good to go. one very important thing to note is to save your seed phrase in a safe place. Once you log in and sign, you would be redirected to add the OPBNB network to your MetaMask address. Now you're going to switch network to OPBNB. As you can see over here, the address you're going to have here is going to be different from your MetaMask address. That is because a smart address, okay, that is based off account abstraction has been opened for you. Now, what you want to do is if you tap on this icon over here, it's going to give you this pop-up that shows your smart wallet over here. And as you can see, it is powered by the particle network. This is your smart account. All of this is loading and will be shown soon. But what we can do first off is to come over here and mint the CARV ID. As you can see, it shows that you have insufficient balance. What you want to do is to actually fund your account. You're going to tap on top up BNB and it's going to show you how you can top up your OPBNB. Now, what you need to do is actually go over to Binance. Link is going to be in the video description for you to create a Binance account. Fund it with BNB. Okay, have BNB in your Binance account and then transfer BNB to the wallet address shown over here. I've added $6 worth of BNB to OPBNB, and as you can see, it shows mint over here. So I'm going to proceed to mint this. Beautiful, my CARV ID has been minted. This is my ID number here, and I can go ahead to complete my profile, which involves binding all of these accounts. But before that, I would have to mint my .play name service. So I'm just going to come over here and enter VMorgan as you all know it here. Hope it's not taking. Beautiful, it's available. So I have sufficient BNB left for this. I'm going to tap on mint.
A few moments later.
So guys, I've been able to successfully mint my .play name service, and this took a while. I must confess, there's been this error that's been up here. Terrible, yeah? But I was advised by the Discord managers to give it some time, and I gave it some time, and then as you can see, I've been able to mint my ID over here. So the next stage is for you to forge your profile. But for us to do this, let's go over to Soul Drop. This is because I want you to see the effect of the accounts that you buy and how much Soul you earn. Now, here is a quick onboarding screen for you. Just go through it, you go next, and then after you're done, you finish it up. This is the data to earn page where you are meant to farm a lot of Soul tokens. Okay, as you can see, you can farm it on Ronin, OPBNB, ZK Sync Era, and Linear. Now, the amount of SOL per day you get to earn is based off the number of accounts you bind. As you can see, if you bound your CARV Play, you're going to get a particular amount per day. If you bind Steam, you can get a particular amount of SOL per day based off your Steam activity. So you're also going to bind X and get 10 SOL per day and all of that stuff. So once you bind all of this, it's going to sum up to the amount of SOL you can carve per day. Okay. Now, for those that are just starting out with gaming, you would have to create a lot of accounts. For example, Steam. Steam is going to earn you 10 to 200 SOLs per day, but you might not have the accounts. So in creating the accounts, you're going to use a VPN as a Nigerian. Okay. For that, I recommend one VPN. You can use that. You can add that to your browser extension. Okay, like as you can see over here, all you just need to do is to connect over here. Okay, it's going to be connected over there, and you can easily create your Steam account. Once you've been able to connect all of this, you'll be able to find that your SOL per day gets to increase. Okay, on Ronin, this is gasless, so you don't have to pay any fee. For example, if I tap on free CARV, you see 11 SOL and I don't get to pay any fee. But if you go on to OPBNB, ZK Sync Era, you can see the SOL per day gets to increase, and down to Linear, you can see the SOL per day gets to increase. But when you've binded all these accounts, it gets bigger than this. Right here, SOL challenge, like I said initially, you can bind your Steam, and then when you play on Steam, you get rewarded. Okay, with 300 SOL. Another way for you to earn SOL is by referrals. Okay, so refer your friends. You also get 10% commission from all your invited friends on Daily Soul Mine, which is so cool. Copy your link over here, and here's a weekly leaderboard for you to rank up with your invites and all of that stuff. Okay, so that's done. The next place Now, like I've said before, there are two parts to CARV, which is CARV protocol and CARV play. Now, we've already talked about CARV protocol when we minted our ID and then the name service. The next thing we're going to focus on is CARV play, and we're going to be focusing on how to exploit. Right here on carv.io/discovery, you want to sign up over here. But basically, so what you have over here is a list of events, okay, that can earn you badges and other rewards. You want to sign up over here because Carv Play is different from Carv Protocol. You're going to sign up with MetaMask. So beautiful, we've created our account and it says welcome. This is the recovery section as it's giving you an onboarding um, guide on all of it. Okay, so you can read all of that on next, and then you want to click here to start your journey. So this is the first task over here. It says welcome to CARV. Okay, what you need to do is to connect your Discord, and that's actually very simple. And then you tap on bind here for Discord. Authorize. Now we have to click here to start journey again, just to go back to the onboarding event. And because we've connected our Discord, we're just going to tap on verify, and that is verified. And now we can carve this. So tap on OK. Congratulations, you've won the welcome to CARV badge and all of that. Something you can do is to go over to your profile. On your profile page, you want to come and get daily CXP. So every day you come over here, you tap on this, and then you just get some amount of CXP. Okay. You also need to bind all of these accounts again. Okay, you must have done that on the protocol, but you need to come and do it over here on CarValue. Okay. Now this is season 3 over here. I don't know if this is concluded or not, okay, but I've connected my Discord account. I can tap on claim, and okay, as you can see, season 3 has ended. You come back for season 4. So all of this cannot be the CAF pass. You can't participate in this quest currently until season 4 comes out, so you have to watch out for it. Okay, so basically all you just need to do is go over to your profile and claim this daily. Okay, link all of these Discord, all of these accounts. Okay, and then come over to events, carry out some of these event tasks over here, and then earn yourself some rewards. So on the final note, make sure you earn enough soul. Okay, you are not late to the party yet. This just started around December 12th already. It's barely a month past. So I don't know how long this will be on for. Okay, but then the soul is going to be converted to the ACK token, which is their governance token. So do what to be zealous with this, and then you can come over here, copy your referral link, and invite your friends so you can rank up and earn as much soul as possible. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe, and share this video to your friends or someone that it can help. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.